Okay, so today we were talking about multiplying and dividing, and then the biggest change is if you multiply or divide by a negative. So if there is a negative attached with a variable, so if I give you an example of negative 3x is less than 9, what I mean by attached is it's multiplying or dividing. So see how this is multiplying with that negative 3? So when I divide by a negative on both sides, I have to flip the inequality. So it goes from a less than to a greater than symbol. Okay, and so then let's try this. If I have 1 negative third x is greater than or equal to 2. Again, this is negative 1 divided by negative 3 times, right, x. And so to get rid of 1 divided by negative 3, we're going to multiply by negative 3 on both sides. That gets rid of that negative 3 in the bottom because you're multiplying and division is the inverse of that. This is what is left, 1x. And then because I multiply by a negative, I want to flip my inequality and then I get negative 6. Okay, now don't get that confused with 3x is less than negative 9. This is multiplying by a positive 3, so I don't change my inequality. And so I get x is less than negative 3, so we don't flip that inequality. Or if I had 1/3 x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Sorry, that's kind of sloppy. Let's try that again. Negative 2. I'm going to multiply by a positive 3 because, right, there's no negative attached with multiplication or division. I get rid of that and I multiply again by the 3. This is what is left. 1x is greater than negative 6. Okay, so with a negative, we flip the inequality. With a positive that is connected with the variable, then we do not.